What's up guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with my embroidery machine. So as you guys know from previous videos, I always do a flat sample first and then I cut it out, place it up against a shirt or hat, and then take a couple photos and then send it to my client to ensure that all color, sizing, and everything else is all good so they know exactly what they're going to be expecting. And so obviously first portion we're going to do the flat sample right now, and then I'm going to place it up against the Dickies jackets that my client has supplied. And so sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is the flat sample that I made yesterday, right? And so I had to wait for my client's response, and I'm sorry if it's a little bit loud. It's because I'm actually running another sample because obviously this looks a little bit small on the jacket, and so they wanted it to be bigger, so we're gonna go ahead and make it bigger right now. But also the embroidery machine that I have is pretty old. This is a Babylock EMP6. I don't really know how old it is exactly, but the capabilities are not going to be the same as like the newer updated versions, which I'm now actually really considering on getting a Melco. Like most people have a Melco, and there's more capabilities with that because especially for hat embroideries, this embroidery machine is very limited. It can't do like the side embroideries because the frame just doesn't turn all the way. And so I'm really considering on getting a new embroidery machine at this time. I'm not really sure just yet, but it's a thought. So right now we're just going to go ahead and wait for this new sample to be sewn out. It's going to take about 30 minutes. So I guess I'll catch you guys when it's done.
Day 3.
Alright, so it's the next day already, and so just like I thought, right? So they do love the bigger size, so we're gonna go ahead and get the process going because they already went ahead and okay and approved it. And I think that's also something that is very important when you're working with clients, is that you both have to have really good communication and be on the same page. And as long as they okay and approve of everything and get the go ahead, then we go ahead. So we're gonna go ahead and get these two jackets finished up today, and here we go.
What you wanna do? do?